Welcome, engineers! Today I'll demonstrate the Principal Stress Interactive Calculator, an essential tool for analyzing stress states in materials and structures. When you have normal and shear stresses acting on an element, this calculator transforms them into principal stresses, helping you identify maximum stress conditions for failure analysis. Let's explore the interface. First, you'll see the Calculation Mode dropdown with 6 powerful options. Calculate principal stresses sigma 1 and sigma 2. Calculate maximum shear stress. Calculate principal angle. Calculate von Mises stress. Calculate Moore's circle parameters. And calculate normal stresses from principal stresses. For today's demonstration, we'll select Calculate Principal Stresses. The calculator has 3 primary input fields. Normal stress sigma x in MPa accepts the normal stress in the x direction. Normal stress sigma y in MPa takes the y direction normal stress. And shear stress tau xy in MPa requires the shear stress on the x face in the y direction. Additional fields include principal stress sigma 1 and sigma 2 inputs, plus a rotation angle theta input, used for reverse calculations. Let's work through a practical example. Consider a pressure vessel wall element experiencing sigma x equals 120 MPa, sigma y equals 80 MPa, and tau xy equals 40 MPa. After entering these values and clicking Calculate, the results show maximum principal stress sigma 1 equals 140 MPa, minimum principal stress sigma 2 equals 60 MPa, maximum shear stress tau max equals 40 MPa, and principal angle theta p equals 22.5 degrees. These outputs reveal critical design information. Sigma 1 represents your maximum tensile stress for brittle failure assessment. Tau max indicates maximum shear for ductile material evaluation. The principal angle shows optimal fiber orientation for composites. Remember, sign conventions matter. Positive normal stresses indicate tension, negative compression. Always verify your coordinate system before entering values. Find the link in the description below.